Another thing that I'll also share, a little tip specific to homes and what you should be considering when maybe buying a home in Denver is, and it sounds funny, but it's what direction the driveway is facing. And this is something that I think a lot of people aren't aware of, and they learn very quickly how important this can be just from a convenience and quality of life standpoint. So when you have a driveway, we always, if possible, want to make sure that it's a south-facing driveway. If it's a north-facing driveway, that's really the direction you want to avoid the most if possible. And that's because if it's a north-facing driveway, it's going to have the most minimal amount of sun exposure. If it's a south-facing driveway, you're going to get the most sun exposure. So this, maybe 6-inch snowfall that you'll get in January, if it lands on a north-facing driveway and you don't get out there first thing in the morning and shovel before maybe your car gets pulled out of the driveway, or maybe your kids walk on the driveway to catch the bus, whatever it may be, it just becomes that much harder to eventually get that snow off of the driveway and avoid just bunches of ice chunks, and it could just become a huge headache. And I'm speaking about this from experience. So just a good little quick locals tip when you're looking at homes and you start to walk up and do some showings, and you're walking up the front of the house to go in and see the home, make a little extra effort to just think, hey, what direction is this driveway facing? I promise you'll be glad you did.